Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the stock of Acasti Pharma Inc. ticker symbol ACST. Now, the first thing is a huge amount of volume spike. In the last 3 months, average volume is 541k, and the last traded volume was 47 or more than 47 million. So there is something big which is happening over here. And the price change we have seen in the last trading session is more than 50%, which has managed the stock performance, for the last month and last week as well. Otherwise, you can see the stock is still down by more than 80% from the 52-week high. So this is quite a sharp performance that the stock has shown. Apart from that, what we have here is a very decent valuation, a comfortable valuation, where the price to book, as you can see, is 0.38, which is much lesser than 1. So this is quite comforting. The sales and the EPS looks quite good, but it does not translate into the profitability. So that's one thing to look at, because whatever you do, it has to turn into profitability so that you can pass on some share or some portion of that to your shareholders. Now, because of this recent move, we have seen a significant rise in volatility, where the month volatility is 9.29 and the week's volatility has increased towards 13.55. Now, we have seen that this is a small cap company, 88 or 89 million dollars market cap. Let's see what else we have here, because with such a significant rise in volume, there should be some substance in it. So we don't have anything as far as the coverage is concerned, because the last updated coverage was as of September 1st, 2020. On the downside, we do not have any insider trading. So there is no info on insider trading. So let's go and check out the news. Now there are two news actually. There are very recently, if you're looking at it, there are two news. First, announce interim data meet all primary endpoints for pivotal PK study for GTX 104. So this is one news related to their product and their study and the results. So I don't want to go into it, right? Now the second one, that what's the market sentiment around loss making Acasti Pharma. Okay, so let me check if you have anything. So this is about the company and what they are doing right now. Yes, this chart looks very interesting. Now you can see you have the years. If you are unable to understand, I will let you understand in a very simple way. These are the years we have, and till 2024, and you can see the EPS projection, right? Earnings per share projection, and there is a very big surge that analysts are expecting in 2020, in a later part of 2023 and in 2024. As you can see over here, I mean, it can went all the way up towards $10. So this is a very big, I would say, projection. And this is analyst. This is the actual range, okay, and this is the analyst forecast. So this is the forecasting range we have here. So what they are actually saying is the EPS forecast for the next 1.5 year is going to be subdued before it actually make a very sharp move on the upside. So if you're looking at this chart, there are very optimistic undercurrent that has been there, and probably these are the news which can make this stock upfloat as of now, instead of making near-term losses. People are There are people who are very much focused on this kind of stock, and they are thinking that, well, we have a better day ahead. Now, looking at the chart, this is the weekly chart of Akasti Pharma. As you can see, this is like a double bottom uh, that the stock has formed, double bottom pattern. So you have your immediate support of $1.4 and you'll have your stop loss at $1. So don't violate these two levels. $1 will be the final level that one should look at, and one must not violate $1 or below, right? And if the stock continues to sustain above 1.4, 1.41, the first or the primary target we have here is 3.52. Now, above 3.52, you have two targets to look at. You have 7.99 and you have 10.4, 10.5. And above that, it could actually move up towards the upper end of the range. So let me show it to you. So above 10.5, if the momentum increased, or if the momentum increases in the upcoming weeks and months, so the upper end of the range will push that stock to 14.8. Then we have 23 and 26. So these are all the projections, like we have seen the EPS actual and the forecast. Now, if this is the thing, and if the EPS forecast is so big, the price can also move higher and probably much ahead than the fundamentals. That's another thing to look at. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.